Hey, how you doing? This is Mike, Innovative Door. We got a CGU 12 REC 13 insulated window. That's CGU, that's 2-inch urethane, Intellicore, clopay. I love the beveled overlay on here and the wood grain, just a great looking door. Insulated windows, we'll put the trim up right there later. I'm gonna open up here real quick. We're still working on the other one. These will come with 2 springs. Okay. They also come with nylon wheels, 14 gauge hardware, which we all pre-oil, reinforced horizontal strut on top, opener bracket, and then we'll put these LDCs on there later. I might do another video to show you, maybe not, but they come with the 3.5-inch big bottom rubber, and they look awesome. These are great carriage house doors for all your garage door needs. Carriage house doors, overlayment doors, 630-271-9343, www.Innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our Coachman CGU 282 by 7. That's right, 82 by 7. These will come in increments of 2 inches and custom other sizes. And if I hadn't said so, as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you very much for watching our video.